Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you a really good looking Oraimo Smart Watch. It is a fitness tracker with sleep and heart rate monitor. 5 atmosphere waterproof. That means you can go swimming with it. You can go take a shower, no prop, but do not make deep diving with that. 5 atmosphere is about 50 meters. It's a fitness watch with pedometer. It's compatible with iOS and Android. Activity tracker for women, man, kids, and anyone. This fitness watch accurately records the number of steps, driving distance, minutes of activity, and calories burned. Connected to the GPS of our smartphone, because we have to pair the smartwatch with your iPhone or Android phone by using an app, the FitDock app. After we paired them, we can use it because it is paired with the iPhone, for example, and then it will get the information there. So we can then track anything. We can track our entire exercise process and physical state and detect health trends. Fast charging has a long use time. The charging for 2 hours, supporting 5 up to 7 days of time. Of normal use, of course. That means if you make only normal use, but if you are a sporty guy out there and you make a lot of heart ratio check up as well, it will not hold an entire week, of course. But it's not hard because an Apple Watch needs every day new energy. This is a standard way. But here it comes if you makes a normal use 5 up to 7 days and 30 days of standby. The Oraimo fitness tracker is very suitable for outdoor sports, exercise all day long. The fitness tracker has 14 built-in exercise modes. It supports running, hiking, swimming, cycling, spinning, yoga, etc. Each mode has detailed exercise statistics to help us to have effectively exercise as well. 5 Atm Waterproof, great design. No need to worry about sweat or rain will corrode our fitness watch. So we have no worries when washing our hands or we go swimming with the watch. The smartwatch for man and woman monitors our heart rate and resting heart rate and can also measure our blood oxygen saturation to help us understand the changing state of our body and adjust ourselves in time. 24/7 activity tracker. Always pay attention to our health. So we should download the latest app FitDock, FitDock, to get a better experience. The smartwatch is for anybody out there. It tracks our sleep, analyzes our sleep quality, and helps us record our sleep diary, providing us with a full range of sleep management and reasonable lifestyle adjustments. 1.3 inches color touchscreen. That is a nice size for such a watch. It's easy to operate. We can easily view detailed data reports and we can customize the dial. It receives all SNS notifications. It receives WhatsApp. It receives Facebook Messenger, for example. We can check incoming calls and reject incoming calls directly on our Android smartwatch, as well as custom dials, timers, pedometers, stopwatches, do not disturb mode, sedentary reminders, music control, and other convenient tools. It's compatible with the most smartphones above iOS 11 and Android 5.0. So you can see you can nearly easy peasy use that watch every day from dusk till dawn and the day long. It is the EW1. We insert the USB plug to the charging cable into a USB charger. The USB charger can be our smartphone AC adapter, for example. It can be in a power socket with USB, easy peasy. That's the power supply. We attach another end to the charging contact on the back of the watch, and that helps us to find the right direction by using it with magnets. Of course, we should download the FitDog app by Android or iOS systems. We turn on the Bluetooth on our phone. Then we open the FitDog app to get the device page and tap the pair the device. Of course, we will need an account on it, okay? We tap, then scan a QR code. And after this, we scan, of course, the QR code. You saw that in my video here. The watch paired, job's done. And then, for example, the function button. We wake the screen or pause the sports mode by pressing on the screen, on the side button. We hold it to turn on the watch. Then, of course, the touch screen. We have a touch screen in front of us. We have the function button on the right side. We hold the home screen to change the watch face. We swipe to go direction interfaces, right, up, down, left, and right. We tap to enter the functions, and of course, only when our watch is connected to the FitDog app, the app is running on our phone and notifications alerts is enabled. In the app, it will message be notified. Twitter, for example, Facebook messengers, or WhatsApp, and so on, and so on. SMS, SNS. Then we have daily stats, quick settings, and function list. Here comes the function list with training modes, today modes, heart rate, blood oxygen test, breath, timer, stopwatch, alert, music control, and of course the setting buttons. The Oraimo fitness tracker watch is the latest design, stylish appearance, smooth full touchscreen operation, and a variety of fashionable interfaces can be replaced to satisfy our visual experience. The fitness smartwatch here features real-time heart rate and 14 sports modes. It is 5 atmosphere water resistant to satisfy our outdoor sports or water sports daily threats. If we especially want a smartwatch with fitness tracking capabilities as a gift, then this Android smartwatch is the best choice for that. Or you like to have a better trainings sparring partner out there. That's the right choice. Then it will help you to understand what your heart is doing while you are training, while you have an exercise. Or you can focus by the breath program. You can check your sleep time. You can smartwatch can control your heart rate, your sleep, your SpO2 monitor, and it makes a better life with you. And of course, you can control your music player easily. This is the Oraimo Smart Watch. It is a fitness tracker with sleep and heart rate monitor. 5 atmosphere waterproof smartwatch. It's a fitness watch with pedometer. It's compatible with iOS and Android. Activity tracker for women, men, and kids. It's available in black and in pink. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.